Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, um I might be for this video on forward, I might be introducing new companies for those who are interested. Um like me, I'm also interested to learn more companies para naman makapili-pili tayo pag may time, 'di ba? But I just want to disclaimer lang, hindi ako nag-work sa mga companies na to. I just want to help everyone who are asking for questions, kung ano ba yung company yung pwede sa mga beginners or pwede sa mga 1 year na yung experience nila or more. So let's find out. Okay, so for the first company I have is the WEBLIO or WEBLIO. So, nakita ko lang to sa internet, of course, and it says here, Online ESL teacher for WEBLIO or WEBLIO. I'm not sure kung ano. Anyway, let's see. Summary or review. WEBLIO mainly hires ESL teachers from the Philippines. Wow! From the Philippines yung gusto nila to teach Japanese students through WebRTC or Weblio's own learning platform. So, my own platform sila. Maganda yon. So, you don't need to, search for your own books or look for your own books and everything, 'di ba? So, you must have at least a bachelor's or college degree in any field. So, dapat bachelor's degree kayo. So, dito, hindi pwede yung mga undergraduates nga sinasabi nila or college students. So, pass muna sa inyo, guys. So, preferably in communication and education with at least 1 year of teaching experience. With at least 1 year with teaching experience. But, alam nyo guys, sa Weblio, nakita ko naman yung sa iba, no need naman siya ng experience. Yun ang sabi niya. Wala siyang experience, but dito nakalagay 1 year of teaching experience. So, you will evaluate students' performance and do lesson reports after the class. Your salary is based on how many lessons you conduct, and each lesson is 25 minutes long. Ganun naman talaga usually, di ba? 25 minutes long. Applicants living in the Philippines may process their TIN and BDO BPI savings account while moving to the next steps of the application process. So, applicants who are living outside the country are required to have a tax identification number issued in the Philippines. So, pwede pa rin, basta Filipino kayo, pwede pa rin kahit outside the country na kayo. So, in the BDO BPI savings account, okay, number to proceed with the next steps of the application process. Note, applicants are required to have the team and with the minimum download speed of 3 Mbps. Okay. So, job overview for online ESL teacher. So, yung rate niya per hour is minimum of $5, maximum of $6. Well, I don't know when was this. Kasi ang alam ko kasi sa Weblio, 100 to 120 pesos siya. I don't know also. So, let's find out more information. Student ages na tuturuan ninyo. Preschool, age 3 to 5, elementary and junior, 5 to 15, high school, 15 to 18, and adult. So, all ages. Kaya magtuturo dito. And mostly Japanese students. I just want to say that I'm also teaching in an ESL company in Japanese students ang mga most of the students, and they are very very kind. Most wala siguro out of 100, isa lang yung talagang mamalasan kayo na medyo masama yung mood, something ganon. Pero most of them are very kind. So, class is one-on-one groups. One-on-one lang kayo. Class schedule, morning 9 to 12, 12 to 3. Okay, it's from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yun ang classes niya. Sa tinuturo ko naman is flexible yung time. So, maybe dito, kailangan nyo lang magpili kung 9 to 12 ang ituturo nyo, 12 to 3 kayo free, or 3 to... Kasi yung sa akin, 24 hours flexible yung time. It's Ingu actually. Well, anyway, job details for online ESL teacher. Native accent, native, North America. So, pwede mga native speakers and non-native neutral, which is the Filipinos. Okay. Degree required. Oh, it's here. No required for degree. Okay. But kanina nakasabi, may is required, but now it's no required. Certification, no required. Minimum hours per week is 10 hours. 'Di ba? Years experience, no need of years experience. This is what I said before. No need of years experience, no need for certification, and no need for degree. They are not requiring this. So, college students can really apply to WebLio or WebLio. Internet speed, minimum uploading is 4 Mbps and maximum is 8. So, how to apply? Oh, these are some of the things that you have to read actually. Okay, medyo madami-dami na siya, guys. So, application fill out form. Let's see. Ganito mag-a-apply, guys. Let's see. So, pumunta lang kayo sa Webleo or weblioph.com. Tapos, punta kayo sa how to apply. Ayun, application form. Fill up all this form. Tapos, ayun. Actually, guys, nag-apply ako dati dito. Okay? And sa grammar test, they are giving you many chances para ma-pass nyo siya. Pag halimbawa, kasi hindi ako medyo nakapass sa first exam. So, they gave me another chance and then I can proceed to the next exam. They gave me still another chance pag hindi na naman ako makapass. Tapos, yung sa PC specification, um, test, an interview dito sa third phase ako, suppose for interview, and pag send nila sa akin ng message, hindi ko lang nabasa ng 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Hindi ako naka-respond. Not yet for within that day. And nag-reply sila, I'm sorry, you were not able to comply with us. Kumbaga, they were very strict or I don't know. I'm not very sure kung what really happened. Kasi ganun yung nangyari. Pag sent nila sa akin na for interview, tapos I have to send some PC specifications and internet requirements, hindi pa ako nakaka-reply sa kanila for, let's say, hindi pa, not the whole day. Tapos, nag-send sila sa akin ng message. So, I was shook. So, hindi ako natuloy sa processing na to. Ayun. So, yun lang, guys. I think this is more of the information that you have to do. You have to know. First is requirements PC, headset, teaching environment, white background, Philippine teen. So, application, grammar, tapos interview, training, demo, and then you can be a tutor na. Okay, good luck sa inyo guys. For those who want to apply in this company, good luck and thank you for watching. Goodbye, guys.